You can have all the luxury you want, spa days, fancy meals, vacations, and still feel completely drained. That's when I realized health isn't optional. Health is what makes everything else possible. Hey, I'm Daniela, the vegan mom. I'm also a homeschooling mom and a lifelong caregiver to my daughter Christina, who was born with Down syndrome. I am also someone who has learned that real strength, mental, physical, and spiritual, isn't optional when someone depends on you. Today, I want to talk about something that most people ignore. There was a time I was running on fumes. You know, that quiet exhaustion where you're still functioning, but everything feels so much harder than it should. I would sneak in a spa day or a treat that I wanted, and yes, it felt good for a few minutes, but then I would crash again. It hit me one day. Pleasure doesn't replace strength. If I collapse, my kids carry the cost, especially my daughter Christina, who has Down syndrome. And no luxury in the world makes up for that. We hear a lot about self-care these days. Bubble baths, spa days, indulging in fancy vacations, restaurants. And yes, those are wonderful, but health isn't indulgence. Health is responsibility. It's showing up fully for the people who depend on you, your family, your team, your work, your faith, without compromise. My faith in God teaches me that stewardship is about using what we are given wisely. And that includes our bodies. This body carries me through all the responsibilities I have, all the work I love to do, all the people I care for. Neglect it, you're just inviting trouble. Strengthen it, you gain freedom, clarity, and energy to fully experience life, indulgence included. Over the years, I have built a system that keeps me strong, clear, and grounded. It's built on 5 pillars: mindset and identity, sonic stillness and nervous system care, movement and restorative sleep, personalized plant-based nutrition, and compassion for animals. This isn't a diet. It's a way to live richly, fully, and responsibly so you can enjoy life without paying for it later. And if this resonates with you, and if you have ever felt the weight of responsibility, or you struggle to stay strong while caring for others, I want to invite you to something very, very special. I created a free workshop where I share how I stay energized, clear-headed, and strong for my daughter and for all my kids and for the work I care so deeply about. In my free workshop, I walk you through the foundations of my Back to the Garden of Eating program, including mindset, sleep and movement, sound therapy, and compassionate living. It's designed for people who carry a lot of responsibility, for people who want to enjoy life, indulge, succeed, and still stay strong and capable every single day. If that's you, the link to sign up for my free workshop is in the description below. I'd love to see you there and share more about how you can stay strong, clear, and fully present in your life. May you be well, and may you know peace. And until I see you in my next video, take very good care of yourself. Bye for now.